What's up, y'all? Jay Creator here. We just walked through like a fucking goddamn Amazon rainforest to get here. We're out on the Wing Dam. This is Flathead City. I got old Waylon with me. We got rods, cods, and sexy man bods. We're about to get it done. Man, I ain't even got in the water.
Baby channel, baby. Baby channel. It's a baby channel.
It's a baby blue.
It's a monster. It's a monster.
Monster catfish.
It's a fingerfish. Made him shit when I hooked him.
Thing.
It's a fish.
Carried him for a long time. I wish I'd have got that hook set on there. That's a mean ass hook set. Probably got.
It's a stringer fish.
Probably got 30 pound. Here, just get that one. Don't worry about that bobber. Oh, you got him. Oh, you got him.
It's a motherfucking turtle.
Motherfucking turtle.
Goddamn soft shell turtle.
I bet it's a fucking cooter. It's a soft shell. Damn. What did I get? Another bluegill?
Is my bobber in the water?
I can't tell. I don't see it.
You don't see it?
No. Oh, man. Look at that. Bass. That ain't bait. That's a bass.
I'm gonna try to drink it. I knew that was never gonna happen.
Well, a fish is a fish.
That was me, you know what I'm saying?
That is a
That was my mistake.
really healthy.
You know what I'm saying? I knew better. Can you get your tackle bucket?
There we go. Starting to get some gills while we're here waiting on the current. And we got some live bait because there's some flatties out here getting some bait. Oh, put him in the bucket. Pumpkin seed power.
It's a fucking Chinese fish.
Yellow bass.
It's a Chinese fish. What about this fish you're gonna take to your buddy? Do you want it or what?
I might